guys, once again thank you for visiting this channel. So if you have not heard anything about Presearch, today I'm going to give you all the information you need about this tool. It's a very wonderful tool and you can make money on it. Now, you know, this channel basically is dedicated to making money online. So Presearch, what at all is it? I'll tell you. You know what? Presearch is a tool, it's a search engine that has been developed with cryptocurrency in mind and you and I in mind, so that we can have a lot more privacy to our personal data while making money searching the web. Now, whether we like it or not, the big search engines are taking our information, they are sharing it, they are using it to target us, for us and whatever. So with Presearch, they don't want to do that. They want to be more open to the end users of search engines or internet like you and I. So that is basically what Presearch is about. However, you can make money searching the web with it, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about it. So how old is Presearch? Presearch basically is about, I think, 2 years now, somewhere September 2017 that it was launched, and by April 2018 it became public. You know, the beta version was launched, it became public, and currently there are over 1.5 million people using this search engine. It's an amazing thing, you know. So it's Bitcoin. So you make money, you make Bitcoin, this thing. But in the case of Presearch, it's called Pre. It's called Pre. Yeah, instead of Bitcoin or whatever coin, it's called Pre. So you earn Pre-tokens by searching online with this. So let's see a few things about this, so you can learn a lot more from here. Presearch. So you have the join the beta. Now if you're a developer, you can actually join this community of developers and, you know, develop this application or this system and also make money whilst developing it. And you know, you can buy tokens to advertise or whatever, and then you can still make money. You can advertise, and whilst you search, you make money. So if you look here, I have earned $52.50 Presearch tokens. So I'll take you through how the conversion is done. So basically that is it. So you search, you make money by searching online. And look at the tokens here, the team and whatever. Now I have my account already, that is why you can see this. And now let's look here. So if you were to search, let's say average person search per month. So Google, and then just taking us there. So we are shown an advertisement just briefly for a few seconds, 3.5 seconds. Then it takes us, you know, to where you know, it's supposed to take us to what we are searching for. That is it. So now let's look at this. Just trying to see how much, you know, we can earn from this website. Just googling, searching for information. Now it says that the average person, you know, searches 540, makes 540 searches in a year. That is the average person, and I think that is quite cool, though I know that for me I can search more than this in a year. Yeah, but that includes all those people who are not using the internet. So that is it. Now if you come here, so let's see the conversion. Let me see. Presearch. Presearch conversion to dollar. So we are now taken to a resting good. So let's just get here. You see. So one Presearch. So you see here one Presearch is good. So let's see. Currently I have about let's see. What is my Presearch? What I have 52. So you come here. Okay, so if I put my 52 here, oh, the site is still loading. 52, so convert. Still loading. I think my internet connectivity too is slow. So you see Presearch, where is it? Good. So now this is the conversion. So far I have about 4 cents. Just searching for everyday things I do. Before I wasn't earning anything. So that is it. Now let's go here. So that is it here. So Presearch actually has its own video channel too. It's called DTube. So you can use it, and so you see people are already doing a lot there. Look at this guy, 4.4 million likes. Look at this guy, 1.3 million likes. So there is a lot actually happening here. It's not only YouTube that is there. So DTube, there's a lot happening there. So Presearch is actually definitely an area you can make money as well. So let's take it that in a year you are able, in fact the minimum withdrawal here is 1,000 Presearch tokens. So when you make 1,000, I think that's about $8 you can withdraw. So if you are somebody who uses the web aggressively, so you see here, so you can withdraw. So it's a legitimate distance. That is why all these are there for it, so you can equally use it. So if you are somebody who uses the internet, maybe you can make 1 million searches in a year. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Good. So let's see there are other cryptocurrencies there. So 1 million searches in a year, you are earning about $8,000. That's good money just for searching the web. So that is it, guys, and there are a lot of other things you can do. Let me just show you a few things of my account. Presearch, I love it. I do advertise here and it brings me good returns as well. So so you can update your profile, your tokens. So far I've earned 52, and all that. You can buy advertisement as well, and they have their community, Facebook, YouTube, etc. So it's still a growing community, and you can join to grow the community and money as well. So guys, I'm going to leave a link below. You can join Presearch and you can earn a few Presearch tokens for yourself. I'm also going to leave another link below where you can make money online. Remember, this channel basically is dedicated to making money online, and that is how I make my money, basically online, doing online surveys and things like Presearch and others. So you can join me if you visit the other link where you can do surveys, watch videos and other things to make money online. Almost every country is covered. If you don't find it, just remember to browse the website and you can find surveys or other offers that are related to your country. So guys, thank you very much for coming. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, make sure you leave your comment, and I'll be very grateful to have your comment. Thank you very much for visiting. Till we meet again. Out. Bye.